I have a credit card. I have a credit card. I use my credit card often. I use my credit card often. I pay my bills on time. I pay my bills on time. I have a loan. I have a loan. I need a loan. I need a loan. The interest rate is high. The interest rate is high. I check my credit score. I check my credit score. My credit score is good. My credit score is good. I want a low interest rate. I want a low interest rate. I pay my credit card bill. I pay my credit card bill. I use online payment. I use online payment. I pay every month. I pay every month. I pay the full amount. I pay the full amount. I pay the minimum amount. I pay the minimum amount. I avoid late payments. I avoid late payments. Late fees are expensive. Late fees are expensive. I manage my debt. I manage my debt. I reduce my debt. I reduce my debt. I borrow money from the bank. I borrow money from the bank. The bank approved my loan. The bank approved my loan. My loan is approved. My loan is approved. I repay my loan. I repay my loan. I pay EMI every month. I pay EMI every month. EMI is easy to pay. EMI is easy to pay. I use a debit card. I use a debit card. I swipe my card. I swipe my card. I enter my PIN. I enter my PIN. My transaction is successful. My transaction is successful. The payment is complete. The payment is complete. I check my transaction history. I check my transaction history. I track my payments. I track my payments. I control my spending. I control my spending. I avoid overspending. I avoid overspending. I stay within my budget. I stay within my budget. I use money wisely. I use money wisely. I plan my finances. I plan my finances. I improve my credit score. I improve my credit score. I pay on time every month. I pay on time every month. I use credit carefully. I use credit carefully. Credit cards are useful. Credit cards are useful. Loans help in emergencies. Loans help in emergencies. I read the terms carefully. I read the terms carefully. I understand the conditions. I understand the conditions. I ask questions before applying. I ask questions before applying. I make smart financial decisions. I make smart financial decisions. I avoid unnecessary loans. I avoid unnecessary loans. I use my card responsibly. I use my card responsibly. I manage my finances well. I manage my finances well. I stay financially strong. I stay financially strong. I build a good financial future. I build a good financial future. I check my credit limit. I check my credit limit. My credit limit is high. My credit limit is high. I use only part of my limit. I use only part of my limit. I avoid maxing out my card. I avoid maxing out my card. I keep my credit utilization low. I keep my credit utilization low. I receive my credit card statement. I receive my credit card statement. I read my statement carefully. I read my statement carefully. I check for wrong charges. I check for wrong charges. I report any issue quickly. I report any issue quickly. I contact customer support. I contact customer support. I use auto payment. I use auto payment. Auto payment saves time. Auto payment saves time. I never miss a payment. I never miss a payment. Missing payments affects credit score. Missing payments affects credit score. I set payment reminders. I set payment reminders. I avoid cash withdrawal from credit card. I avoid cash withdrawal from credit card. Cash withdrawal has high charges. Cash withdrawal has high charges. I pay interest on late payments. I pay interest on late payments. Interest increases my debt. Interest increases my debt. I understand loan terms. I understand loan terms. I compare loan offers. I compare loan offers. I choose the best interest rate. I choose the best interest rate. I apply for a personal loan. I apply for a personal loan. I apply for a home loan. I apply for a home loan. I apply for a car loan. I apply for a car loan. The bank verifies my documents. The bank verifies my documents. I submit my ID proof. I submit my ID proof. I submit income proof. I submit income proof. My loan application is under review. My loan application is under review. My loan is rejected. My loan is rejected. My loan is approved quickly. My loan is approved quickly. I signed the loan agreement. I signed the loan agreement. I read all conditions carefully. I read all conditions carefully. I know my EMI amount. I know my EMI amount. My EMI is affordable. My EMI is affordable. I choose a longer loan period. I choose a longer loan period. A longer loan reduces EMI. A longer loan reduces EMI. A shorter loan saves interest. A shorter loan saves interest. I repay my loan early. I repay my loan early. Early repayment reduces interest. Early repayment reduces interest. I close my loan account. I close my loan account. I receive a no dues certificate. I receive a no dues certificate. My credit history improves. My credit history improves. I maintain a good credit record. I maintain a good credit record. Banks trust good customers. Banks trust good customers. I use credit responsibly. I use credit responsibly. I stay financially disciplined. I stay financially disciplined. I avoid financial mistakes. I avoid financial mistakes. I manage loans smartly. I manage loans smartly. I build a strong financial future. I build a strong financial future.